Hi everyone, I am Jebasingh, the Director of Officers IAS Academy. Whether you belong to OBC Non-Creamy Layer or Creamy Layer, lot of issues are going on today in our country regarding whether someone is belonging to OBC Non-Creamy Layer or Creamy Layer. Day by day, tougher scrutiny is going to happen. Now, many students who are not eligible for OBC Non-Creamy Layer, they without their knowledge apply for OBC Non-Creamy Layer certificate, they get it somehow and later land in trouble. I have also met others who are eligible for OBC Non-Creamy Layer. However, they think they are not eligible because of some criteria, they think they are not suitable based on that criteria. For example, salary should not be taken into account. But many think their parents' salary is more than 8 lakhs per annum, so they are not eligible. However, salary and agricultural income you should not include. So, some students who are eligible still think they are not eligible, and so they apply as creamy layer. Now, this OBC non-creamy layer reservation, yes, it is useful for UPSC, SSC, CLAT, NEET, JEE. So, it's very, very important for you to understand whether you are eligible or not. Keeping that in mind, Officers IAS Academy, we have created one tool for you to check whether you belong to OBC non-creamy layer or creamy layer. Now, I'll demonstrate how to use that tool. Before coming to this portal, certain basic data about your parents' income. I am not talking about spouse, because spouse and all will not be included. Only, and your own income, that also not included. Only your parents decide whether you belong to OBC non-creamy layer or creamy layer. So please keep that in mind clearly. Now let me demonstrate. Let us assume, see, once you open to this portal, OBC Officers IAS Academy.com, then you can see check whether you are eligible to get OBC reservation. So you go below that blue color icon, you are seeing one check now. I am clicking it. Let us assume you are from the state of, say, Bihar. Now, once you click Bihar, select exam. Now, exam you can write UPSC, SSC, anything, it's one and the same. Now, then your community, whether you belong to backward community or most backward community. Now, let us assume, because some states there is also a category called MBC, states like Tamil Nadu. So, now let us assume BC. Now, you press the submit button. Now, they are asking whether your father directly recruited into. Now, can be government, can be constitutional authorities, can be private sector, business owner, public sector undertakings, other sources of income, and not working. Let me first take government. Now, your father is working in government. Mother, next question. Yes, mother, I'll tell not working. Any criteria you can choose. Now, let us submit. Now, next question it is asking, does your father directly recruited into government sector and have following benefits? Father directly recruited into whether group A or class 1, group B or class 2, lower than group B or class 2. Now I am giving the option father group B. Okay. Then next criteria about, same father got promoted to class 1 before his 40 years of age or other. No, let us enjoy the reservation. I'll choose other. Now once I put other, then it's going to ask about your mother. Because father is now not, you are entitled for OBC non-creamy layer as far as father is concerned. However, mother also decides. So enter the annual income, because your mother not working, however, she may have some business income. She may not work, she may own a business. So just it is asking, but don't include salary, don't include income from agriculture. So what are the examples? Say rental income, FD interest, whatever. Say first year, I am putting, say 8,50,000. Okay. 3 consecutive financial years, whatever you have filled in your IT return. Second year, 9 lakhs I am registering. Third year, 7,99,000. Okay. 7,99,100 I'll put, okay. Now I'll submit. You will be eligible because you see this is not salary, be very clear. Other sources only we are filling. Even 1 year, in the last 3 financial years, even in 1 financial year, if your income is lesser than 8 lakhs, other sources of income other than salary and agricultural income, you are entitled. Now they are asking annual income, your father also, because your father could have inherited something. Now problem here is father and mother both will be added. So here I will put 0, 0, 0 because anyway is working 0, 0 and 0. Okay, means no, we are not including salary. He is working in government. Okay, now I will submit. You have age relaxation. You are eligible for reservations and benefits provided by the government. Then you can get the certificate where to. So all these things. In addition, one more thing you have to do is whether your community BC is also there in the OBC central list, central OBC list. Just if you Google state wise, it will be giving. Just you check. That is also one additional thing you have to do. Anyway, as far as OBC non-creamy layer is concerned, you are entitled in this. Now I am going to give you another thing. I'll put enter one more candidates thing. Say check now as usual. Say from the state of Assam. Okay. Now yes, select exam. Now I'll go for SSC this time. Select community. I'll take it as BC. Yes, I am submitting. Now father directly recruited into say government sector, mother directly recruited into government sector. Now if both are group B, let us see whether you are eligible or no. It means directly, not the present post, directly whether I am putting it as group B for father, mother also group B. Now I am submitting. You belong to creamy layer. You have no age relaxation, you are not eligible for reservation. So you can make use of this tool, all entries, whether your parents are in or constitutional authorities, business, anything and everything, even if they are not working. So everything is there in the portal. So it will give you the correct result to understand whether you are eligible and or whether you are not eligible. So that later you are not in trouble. If you are not eligible, still have OBC certificate, and later you should not miss out also if you are eligible but not claiming because of lack of knowledge. I hope it will be useful for you. Please share it with your friends and relatives so that they can also make use of this portal. Thank you from Israel Jebasingh, the Director of Officers IAS Academy.